back to another Liyahs Nails video. In today's video, y'all see I have a Modelones collaboration today. I'm so excited. So Modelones did a collaboration with Saxon Sharbino. I know I just butchered the freak out her name, so I'm gonna put it on the screen. I apologize, girl. I'm so sorry. But they did a collaboration with three entrepreneurs actually by ending up picking her palette because hers is called Color Confidence, and I just liked it, the name of it. It just spoke to me. So if you haven't heard of her before, she is an American actress. She is known for portraying Maliyah Roberts in the Fox series Touch and Kendra Bowen in the 2015 remake of the Polaris. I'm not sure. I don't think I said that right. Hopefully someone knows what I'm talking about in the comments down below. But if you guys are excited, I kind of gave y'all a sneak peek in a few videos back. I don't know if anyone caught it because I didn't read the comments before recording this video. But I told y'all I had something coming with them because y'all, it's so crazy because a year ago I was reaching out to them wanting to do a collaboration because I always y'all, I always use a gel top coat. Like, I've been ordering it from Amazon since God knows when, and y'all know that. So okay, on the back of this box right here, can y'all see this? It just says that it's high quality, long lasting, easy to apply, low smell, no harm to skin. Has the ingredients, the directions. Use a nail brush to dip a small amount of solid cream gel polish. Apply to the nail surface evenly, then cure with the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Storage, keep tightly sealed, keep out of sunlight, store in a cool place. That's pretty much with any nail polish you use. That's like the simple, you know, they're gonna give you. It also comes with can y'all see this? A gel remover card. And let me flip it over. Missing one. Okay, it comes with a Q&A, a few Q&A, a few tips. It, can y'all see this? Okay, and then on the back side it comes with a nail preparation, gel application, and also the gel removal. Y'all can pause and screenshot if y'all want to read that individually, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. I cannot wait to get started. Oh, it says tear here. I just completely bypassed that. I've never used one of these before, y'all. I'm looking excited. I really want to keep this on here because it is like really liquidy. Oh no, it's not that liquidy. Okay, I may just keep that to the side just in case. Okay, so this is a gel pen. It came with, oh, so it's like a little brush. Yo, this is neat. And it's like really neat is the word I was looking for. It's really neat. So I just want to give y'all that tour real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and put these nail tips onto this silicone hand. Like I've spoken before in some of my videos, I'm switching to a silicone hand just so I can kind of start getting a feel of, you know, how it's gonna feel like to do a real person nail, because silicone hand is pretty much, it's basically as close as you can get to a real hand being fake, pretty much. So yeah, let me look at these one more time. I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I love a good mustard, like a good mustard color is my jam. I also love a good red, love a good green, good blue, good maroon, love a good sheer pink, love a good pink. I don't know what color I want to do yet. I might do this blue. I feel like that blue really gonna set it off. And it says more joy, more color in life. I like that. It reminds me of like a makeup thing, and it's so simple. Like, say you want to go to your homegirl house and do her nails, all you gotta do is flip this out, pull it out, get the pen, you know, that easy. So yeah, I'm so funny. But I'm gonna leave everything in the description down below just in case y'all want to go ahead and shop and buy y'all one. Y'all, I got this glitter all on this silicone hand. Like, this glitter, where is it? Can I find it? Oh, it's right up here. It's missing it's missing this part right here, so it's open. And y'all, it's so annoying because every time I move like my disc around or just move something around or knock something over, it seems like I'm always knocking it over. It's just like, Lord Jesus, stay knocking it over. But I've been doing pretty good. As y'all can see, I'm back posting, which I did say before a couple of videos ago that I was not going MIA again. I was so serious about staying this time. I mentioned in my last video, I was waiting on my stuff from Temu and SHEIN to get here for like Halloween nails. Cause I'm not gonna lie, this year, well, it's the end of the year, but I'm getting more prepared. Like, I'm not waiting until the last minute to order stuff that I know it's gonna take a minute to come in. Or I'm not waiting till the last minute to, you know, put designs out there that some people been had out there for like, you know, months to come. Excuse me turning these nails. I'm trying to turn them so they're not all on top of each other because it seemed like they was turned everywhere. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. But yeah, so I was so serious about not going in my A no more. Like, I'm so for real. I've officially deleted my main page YouTube channel. Sorry to them 1,000 people that had subscribed to it, but I'm on the road to getting this nail channel to 10K. Hopefully before the end of the year. Let's see, we're in August, so August is basically over. So we got September, October, November, December. We have 4 months. I don't want to say I can't do it because I feel like this year and partial of last year was when my channel really like really took off. Like, my views had like been getting up there since like my very first video, because all of that was like pre-COVID and it wasn't like that many people like for doing YouTube that was doing nails. There was a few of us, but most of it was like, you know, like the nail hacks. It wasn't like actual nail tutorials that, you know, people was doing. Even now, it's still not that many of us. Like, it's a few of us, but it's not like a whole lot of us, you know. So first thing first, you always, I'm so excited to get into polishing this, but you always got to do that Maliyah gel based coat. Y'all already know that's step 1. And I like to cure mine for about, I'd say 2 minutes. Sometimes if I'm distracted, it'll probably cure more, which there's nothing wrong with that. It all depends on your nail length, how many wyatt's are in it. I saw a comment before on one of my old videos. This lady had asked me, why do I cure my nails for so long? It's because it depends on how many wyatt's your nail dryer has. Usually the nail salons, they typically have more. Like, they pretty much have like the strongest nail dryers, because, you know, you only stick your hands in there for not even 2 minutes and your nails is freshly dry. Like, your toes is dry all the way. My nail dryers, I can't even remember. I got them in, what was it? Believe it was May of 2020 is when I got my nail dryers. I decided that I'm gonna do the blue. Actually, no. I'm gonna do this color. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. So basically, if I'm going by the instructions, all I'm supposed to do is dab this in here. I just don't know how much to dab, you know? I'm gonna wipe some on here. I feel like I'll be starting to talk about something and I get distracted. But I know, like, the last real topic I was saying, I deleted my main YouTube channel because, yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna focus more on Liyahs Nails, which I am pretty soon gonna change the name back to Liyahs Nails. Once I get my Easty shop changed back over to Liyahs Nails, I'm gonna change my YouTube channel back over to, because like I said, I want to be at 10K by the end of the year. So let's go ahead and make it happen. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your hungry to subscribe. Tell your hungry boyfriend and sister to subscribe. Tell them all to subscribe. No, I ain't gonna lie, it brushes out so easily though. Like the paint, like the brush is very, I say it's very, very good quality. I ain't gonna lie, it's good quality, y'all. It's good quality. But I can't lie, everything Modelones that I bought, from like they gel top coat to the rhinestone gel, is very good quality. Like Modelones, whoever create their products, they make them for long last wear for sure. It's not one of them things where it's like, not the shade Apple or nothing, but I'm finna shade Apple. So y'all know like how Apple be making, you know how they make a new iPhone every year, especially since Steve Jobs died. They most definitely do it now. How they make a new iPhone every year, right? Okay, and you know everybody knows like the old iPhones start messing up when they make a new one, right? Right. Hold on, I'm gonna file this nail down at the end before I do this second coat, just cause it's bothering me. It got caught on that gray thing that I brought over here to put them on. It got caught on that, and so it made it, I don't know how, but it made it have an imprint. But what was I saying to y'all? Dang. Oh yeah, everybody knows like Apple older phones start slowing down every time they come out with a new one, because you know they obviously like, you know, want you to buy the new one. So Modelones isn't like that. Like you can obviously tell like they products are meant to last you or whoever you're using them for a long time. Like they prefer quality over quantity for sure, and that I appreciate, because it's hard to find good nail products out here that really last, especially when it comes to like polishes, because a lot of polishes, they start chipping or they start peeling. Like it's hard to find a good quality nail polish. But yeah, something else I do like about this silicone hand, like everything comes off of it so easily. I said this in my last video, but like no matter what it is, whether it's polish or what, except for them dang on glitters, they still on here. I don't know if y'all can see them because they're kind of tiny. It probably is to see in person, but they sure won't come off. This for sure. I am gonna do a design, probably some rhinestones and something simple, just to give it a little bit jazz at the very end. Still trying to plan in my head. I may add some gold flakes, I don't know yet. Still trying to plan in my head what I want to do just yet. I would suggest clean this with acetone. You know, once you're done using it, which I'm gonna do that once I get these dried. I'm gonna clean it with some acetone. Don't mind me too much. I know I got a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff here, but I'm trying to figure out like what do I want to use. What do I want to use? And what's gonna look best? Let's see, how flowers. That would be fine. And I also kind of want to do this and these. So I can't do these and these flowers. So I think I am gonna do these flowers. I think this will get tropical. With this being such a bright orange. Let's see. Okay, this is how they look so far, and this is the thumb. And so of course I have my Modelones rhinestone gel. I got this from Amazon. I can link it in the description as well. I really like it, and it's only cured by LED. Wait, not LED, UV nail lamp. This is how they look before the top coat. And now it's time for the Nailz gel top coat. Let me know down in the comments what y'all rate this set. It's pretty simple. I didn't want to do too much, but I will be doing more videos here soon using the gel palette that they sent me today, because I really did enjoy it. It was fairly simple and it was something different. I've never used one like that before, but now I can say that I have. And it really reminds me of makeup, because like the way it's set up, it reminds me of a makeup palette, which is really neat that someone did that with Nailz. I think that's really freaking neat. Nope. This is how they turned out. I think they came out pretty cute, y'all. Not gonna lie. But if you enjoyed today's video, let me know down in the comments down below. And make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.